Are you planning a trip? Do you want to go to some unique places that no one necessarily thinks to go to? Let me show you one of the easiest ways to find these unique places so that you can have a trip unlike anyone else's. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to find unique places on your travels. Now, most people don't want to necessarily see all the places that everyone else is going to. Yes, you want that trip, but you also want to either sprinkle some unique things in that not everyone does, or you want to have a trip just of more off the beaten path or just different places that not every single person goes to. Now, these are, there's some easy ways to go this. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of my favorite ways to do this. Now, what I like to do is I like to look up the website of the World UNESCO Heritage Sites. Now, on this site, it gives you a list of all of the recognized places for the World UNESCO Heritage Sites around the world. Now, there's a couple ways that you can use this website. I'm going to put the link to the website in the comments after I finish this live. But what you want to do is you can either have a place that you've decided on where you're going already, and then look up that country on the site and see what places are on there that you can add in to your trip. Now, if you're unsure of where to go and not sure what country you're going to go to yet, you can then go through and look at what's going on with all the different places with the World Heritage Sites and then build your trip around that. Now, these aren't necessarily just places of interest, like, viewing one little thing. They can consist of whole cities. So they're easy enough to be able to connect the dots. If there's quite a few of them in certain countries, you could probably hit up a number of different ones and then create a whole trip out of just these unique cities within that one country. Or if you're in a place where you're able to go to different countries easily, you're able to link up different places within that and be able to see some really cool things. Now, this will definitely get you on the more unique side of things because not everyone thinks about just looking at the World UNESCO sites because not everyone's also aware of them. So definitely make sure that you add this to your list when you are planning your trip. You want to make sure that you add in a few little things that are a little bit off the beaten path because trust me, when you go to these places, you'll see why they are on this list. They are absolutely breathtaking. I seek them out quite a bit, and they are almost always my favorite places. And the photos you'll get from these places are fabulous. So definitely look these up. Now, I'm going to put the link down below. And yeah, there you go. That's my tip for the day. Now, if you haven't already downloaded my vacation blueprint starter kit, you want to download that today. It will help you go by step how to plan your trip. It includes a video to take you through everything, plus a workbook so that you can keep everything in one place and on track. Now, I'm going to put that link down below, and anything else, if you have any questions about this or any other travel questions, please feel free to reach out to me either through email or the website or any of my social channels, or you can also put a comment down below and I would love to answer that for you. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.